A mic is more than a tool. It is a way to connect, challenge, and inspire. The mic, for me, has been a liberator. It is my mission to create spaces where voices, especially those of global majority, especially those who are closest to the pain, to be heard, amplified, celebrated. Speaking isn't just about words, it's about presence. It's about making people lean in and reflect, to leave transformed, invigorated, and empowered to use their own voices, to step up to their own mics. So no matter where you are, if it's on a corner, if it's in your room, if it's on an actual stage, your voice is your power. Your voice is your agency. Your voice is your liberation.